Hello world, I'm Tucker.
I'm Nicola.
And wow, we did that.
We did a
on
chuu
camera.
heart. Yes.
Wow. But we're not here for chuu today. We're
not.
here for nature.
Yes.
And their single.
Yes.
Music video.
Yes.
Some.
Yes.
You'll Be Mine.
Yes.
Anyways, I've been hearing a lot of positive things about nature recently. They got nominated at MAMA for Best New Female Artist. I just want to see what they're all about. I haven't seen any of their stuff before.
No.
Have you seen any of their stuff before either?
Haven't seen any of their stuff. I mean, I know a lot of people that have bought their debut sort of single. So I've seen photo book pictures and whatever. Very nice.
So yeah, anyways, we don't know that much about this group, but we're just going to get right into it because we're always here to see a new girl group. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
GAGA! One of members called GAGA. Wow. Cute! I like her already. Yep, you. Her, orange hair, mine.
Chocolate that said girls on it.
She reminds me of Cheng Chao, that one, with the big heels. And she reminds me of We Just Onion's visual. Blonde hair, Sola.
How many members are there?
9 is that?
9?
Yeah, it looks like it.
No. 9? 9?
Oh! How are we gonna drop? What? Wait, what? What? What are they doing? Oh my
Oh my god!
Wait, Summer Love right now? In winter? They're just sparking it up? Oh wait, what? Oh, that's a nice little dress.
This is like that grey one is like the winter stage, you know? That's like a winter box set. But this is like a summer box set.
I feel like if Kristen were not in their dungeon, this would be like a Kristen song, yeah. I like the concept, it's Kristen-y.
I like the concept.
She's so solo looking.
But honestly, like, I like this almost better than some Kristen releases. Definitely. Like their full group ones. Because I love the drop. Oh my god, that drop. I'm ready for it again. Please come back, drop. Also, the outfits, though. Outfits go off.
What? This weird attempt at a guara.
She's cute. That one.
I own orange hair. She's yes.
Blonde short hair. What are her names? Nature.
Oh, not Dab in 2018. Listen, we're almost into 2019.
I'm here for the dabs. Wonderful Love by Momoland is a great example of dab.
Not in 2018 though,
yeah.
listen.
I'm here for it. Some more love.
Bum bum bum. They're all so cute. Oh!
Dance, you know? I feel like I'm gonna be dancing this song for years. Cute.
Yeah, very cute.
Where did the
men are here? Well, I wonder how that compares to their other releases, because when I thought of Nature, and when I didn't expect something so hard.
Really?
No.
You thought it was? I thought it was gonna be like really cutesy or something.
Like Elris or something. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. So
No,
nice,
no, I
nice
thought
surprise.
it was gonna be like April. Like April cutesy.
Interesting.
With a name like Nature, you know?
Yeah.
Nature. April.
The link.
No, but I like April. I like April a lot. Not April. Oh, my mistake. I'm talking about April pre.
Tinkerbell.
April Tinkerbell. April like Mayday. April like Lovesick. You know that April.
Yeah.
April Bluebird. Wow.
Yeah. Sure.
I really like that.
Let us know
That was good.
which member was Gaga, because first of all, legendary name. Second of all, who's the ginger one? Because she took my heart in an instant, so there you go. Look, Gaga.
Gaga.
I know. Incredible.
Gaga, Aurora, Sebom, Lu, Chebin, Haru, Loha.
Sunshine!
Sunshine?
Wow! It's me! Wow.
Are you Sunshine?
I'm Sunshine.
You have to stand Sunshine.
True.
You stand
I'm a Sunshine.
You're a Sunshine.
Can you imagine if Sunshine's the ginger one? She probably won't be, but anyway.
We're gonna look at the profile. This will be a nature, song, music video, and profile reaction today.
Wow, exciting
That's what
times.
we're doing.
Because we didn't expect these names.
I know.
I'm pretty sure at least 4 of the 9 will be foreign.
Really?
Yeah.
You think so?
Just from the names alone, I feel like.
Lu and Gaga?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Lu.
So, first of all,
Lu.
aka Solar lookalike, yep.
Lu.
She's not particularly in that photo, but anyway.
Main vocalist. Korean.
She's Korean, okay.
Im Hayoung.
Audition for Mix now.
She's a fan of Red Velvet. Girl, me too. Lu is a fan of Red Velvet, according to Nature member, K-profiles.
Ex-Brave. Brave's a good company.
Yeah.
We like Brave.
Sebom.
Yep, she's Korean. Yeah.
Korean.
Imitate Britney Spears, excited.
Zodiac sign Aquarius.
Oh. We love Girls' Day stands. Where is Girls' Day? Please bring him back.
She imitates Jangwoon Park. Lovely. Aurora. Foreign member, Aurora.
Yeah.
She's Chinese.
Okay, so 1.
She has a flexible upper body, according to Pops and Soul. Interesting.
She only moved from China to Korea in December last year.
Yeah.
Wow.
Chebin.
She's Twinkle. Wait, what? There's different lines go down. She's part of the Twinkle line. Listen. What? And then, wait, the line sounds so cute. Wait.
Bantang Bantang, Sparkle Sparkle. She was on Produce 101.
Ranked 88.
But she was on Produce 101. Oh
but that's why we probably, like, we were excused from not remembering
but like,
her.
Say from Wiki Mickey was on Produce 101, like, ranked like 80 or something like that.
Yeah, I mean, I
Or had Queen come through.
But yeah.
She was a trainee, she's been a trainee for 5 to 6 years, wow. So how old are they?
97's top.
97
yeah.
line, 97, 99. Look, why are there no 98 lines in groups nowadays? We feel attacked
we feel,
as 98 liners.
Sad.
Sad. Gaga.
Oh, that's Gaga!
Yeah?
The legendary queen that she is. There she is.
Red-haired Gaga.
It's Gaga. Okay, Gaga. Wait, and
Chinese. She's part of the cutie line.
The cutie and the twinkle line. I'm about to just explode. Oh, wow. Listen. Gaga calls herself nature's pig. Gaga, you're my queen. Wait. Wait, what? Maybe she eats a lot. I don't know what the context behind that is. But listen, that's so cute. Her real name's...
She's fluent in English.
Is her real name Chia Chia?
Jaja.
Jaja, okay.
Jaja.
That's why they went for it. Haru, Haru.
Haru. Japanese member. You're
so how many?
right about
how many?
That's 3 so far. That's 3 so far.
Wait, Chinese, we've had...
2 Chinese members, 1 Japanese member so
okay,
far.
listen, so the last one has to be foreign as well.
Haru learned dance sport in Japan for 10 years. What is dance sport?
She's won 3 times in domestic competitions.
But what is dance sport? I don't know what dance sport is. Dance sport. Wow. She's part of the Twinkle line. Haru said that she could be both cute and sexy, according to her profile.
She only moved from
in May.
Wow.
They debuted in August, right?
She looks now. Now can you guess from her face if she's going to be foreign or not? I feel like she's. Yeah?
No, she's Korean.
Oh, 3.
She's
I got
Korean,
3.
Yeah,
That's okay.
She's Korean.
Fan of Blackpink.
She's a fan of Blackpink. Her LOHA stands for low harmony.
Gotcha. Lead rapper.
Lead
makes
rapper,
sense. It
vocalist.
makes sense. It makes sense.
She likes Harry Potter. Former JYP trainee.
She was announced as a new
They
member.
know where to get them. Oh!
Wow.
So was she a new member in the...
She must have just
in
been
that
a new
comeback,
member.
yeah. Her least favorite foods are broccoli and paprika.
Also known as pepper, just in case you guys didn't know that. Just because some people don't know that. Paprika is obviously a spice here, but it's, you know, a pepper in Korea, so there you go. Yeah. Uche, how do you pronounce her name? Uche.
Her stage name? Yuche.
Yuche.
Yuche is her stage name.
Gotcha.
Yuche.
It's quite tall for her age.
Quite tall?
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean,
She's really
not compared to a 5'11" lass, but still quite tall.
No, but 5'8", that's pretty tall for a K-pop star.
Yeah.
She looks like Dragonite.
I don't know what
according
Dragonite looks
like the Pokemon?
I didn't
We're gonna
watch
pull it
Pokemon.
up. We're gonna Dragonite.
She's part of Cutie Line. I want to know what their lines
She
are.
kind of does look like Dragonite, honestly. That's what it says in her profile, that she said that she looks like Dragonite. Okay, Dragonite.
Gotcha. Wait, I do get it. I do get it. Wait,
Dragonite,
okay.
Yuche. Dragonite, okay.
Got you.
We see. Sunshine.
Oh, listen. She's a magnet. Oh,
Magnet.
listen. How cute. She can imitate a doorbell.
Sunshine's profile is only 3 lines long. 1. Nationality, Korean.
Yeah.
2. Sunshine is part of the cutie line in nature.
Expected.
3. Sunshine can imitate a doorbell.
Wow. Ding dong. Oh, wow. So can I. We're meant to be. We're meant to be. Wow.
You are so talented, Nicola.
Thank you. Listen. Wait, what was the former member?
Oh.
I think she left even before they debuted.
She left before the debut.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
She was part of Twinkle Line.
She was going to be the leader?
Really? Oh, wow.
Who's the leader now?
Probably the eldest.
Lou.
Yeah.
Lou.
Yeah.
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 I'm so happy for you that Gaga was...
Gaga, the
orange
legend that she was
the legend that she
ginger hair.
is. The legend that she is.
Remains to be, yeah. Incredible. Aurora has got a princess look. I like it. The stage names are cute.
Wow.
Charming Line. So, Charming,
Okay,
Twinkling,
Charming,
Cutie?
Twinkle and Cutie, right?
Is that what it is?
I think
Yeah.
so.
I like it. That's so cute.
That was our reaction to Nature's Some, You'll Be Mine, and their profiles.
Yeah.
So, you know, it was a good time. We got the nature profiles.
Yet another girl group we're about to
Yet
stand.
another girl group. So, very entertaining.
Yes.
One of them can imitate a doorbell.
Incredible.
We stand talent.
We stand nature.
And honestly, we stand good stage names.
We do.
Good stage names, yeah.
Interesting stage names. I mean, LOHA was, I mean, that's incredible.
Low
She's
harmony.
a rapper. Low harmony. It makes sense. I enjoyed. Someone who's intelligent in the company that they're with, so it was nice, yeah.
Anyways, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Wait. This is the last video we're filming before we go on break.
Will this be up? Will this be up?
This will be up. This will come out sometime during our vacation.
Okay, got you. But this is the last one we have filmed.
A lot. Yeah. So
yeah, the next time we'll be back is in January. So have a fantastic Christmas.
Have a fantastic
New
holiday
Year.
season, New Year, whatever you're celebrating this time of year. And we'll promise to be back with more new content from us in January. If for some reason I don't stretch it out to last us all the way through. We have so much, so much filmed, so very excited for a whole new year of K-pop.
Yeah.
So we wish you a very, very happy new year.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.